Hey guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2018 Kenworth W900L heavy spec day cab to show you. This is one of three that we've got available. Built X15 Cummins, 18 speeds, 46 rears, wet kit, only 255,000 original miles. I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you everything that we got here. Start out underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside. Let's get started. Clean, no rust underneath the hood. Only body damage is a nipple in the back air slide fifth wheel, new rubber, Hendrickson 4-bag, 46,000 suspension. BIT interior, wet kit controls, navigation, extra gauges, full lockers. This one does have a traction control light on there, which we can take care of through the shop. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.